Today we're in Gold River, California, where we have just installed some Alta dual shades. This particular application is on a sliding glass door. A lot of people ask what horizontal products look like on doors because they're used to using vertical applications, so we wanted to show you this today. This particular shade is a 2-on-1 headrail, so you'll notice you have two separate shades that will operate separately, but we do have one continuous headrail, which this product line does allow for. So you can see we can pull this shade up or down. This is just a standard continuous loop cord system here. We can pull the shade all the way up. We can operate this one separate than this one. A lot of times people do like that because with sliding doors, many times customers want to leave the stationary portion of the door. They want that shade just down and they really don't have any interest in moving it, but they like the idea of being able to have the other shade on the operable part of the sliding door up and out of the way, especially if it's a high traffic area. So just showing you what that looks like. I actually have these shades in my home on my sliding door, and I personally like to leave mine kind of like this all the way across the top. Kind of just gives a kind of balanced top treatment look and kind of finishes out the window even if and when the shades are up.